Do have today as I would say the calmest day of the week, but things are going to change really quickly. Temperatures at the moment, kind of a hodgepodge between the 20s and the 30s. The places in the 30s are also the places that have been a little bit cloudier, but those clouds are going to start clearing pretty soon. Over the next couple of hours, you'll notice temperatures increasing. Most of us in the upper 30s today, which is actually right where we should be. Providence, I think you're going to hit the exact average of 38 degrees. I think we're going to get to 37 in Smithfield, 38 in Taunton. Good morning, New Bedford. I think you're going to get to 38 later on, 36 for Westerly today, and 36 in Newport as well. Again, clouds are continuing to clear, and by the afternoon we'll also have more sunshine. So between the average temperatures and the sunshine coming out in the afternoon, it's going to be a pretty decent day. The only caveat is it will be breezy, so just expect that. Hold on to your hats and expect the low 30s to be the feel of the day later in the afternoon. Now, as for what comes next, this is where the forecast gets really tricky. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I absolutely spent a lot of time analyzing a lot of data this morning because we've got a bunch of rounds of precipitation starting with tomorrow. This is, I would say, one of the more lackluster events of the week, but still something to note. Temperatures on Tuesday in the mid 30s, a couple brief snow showers here as a weak cold front comes through. This front does not have a lot of moisture attached to it. As you can see, the Bay State taking the brunt of the snow here with I would say a slightly bigger snow shower, but as for us, as we look a little bit further south, things are pretty uneventful. Couple flakes here and there, something to keep in mind, some slick spots on the road, not out of the question, but that's really about it. As we head into Wednesday, this is where things get much more eventful. Really, the wee early hours of Wednesday morning, I'm talking like just after midnight, we are going to see some snow showers, and these could leave us with accumulations here. In the afternoon, temperatures around 40 degrees, and then in the afternoon and evening, we could actually see a few more showers in the form of rain and even a mix. So here we go. We're going to start with those early morning showers. Again, you can see the clock here about 12:45, 1 o'clock or so, and these showers, snow showers here are just starting to push into the region. By the time we get to 2:30 a.m., most of us are seeing snowflakes. This tapers off just as you're getting into the morning commute, 5, 6, 7 a.m. Those snowflakes are starting to push off to the east. But again, you can see that second round of precipitation later in the afternoon. So whether you're commuting in the morning, the evening, or both, make sure that you're taking it easy out there, as slick spots are certainly something to watch. How much snow are we watching for? It's a good question, right? Well, I think at this point, most of us can expect somewhere in the neighborhood of a coating to an inch. I think our friends a little bit further north, especially in the northwest corner of the state, our friends in Foster, Gloucester, Scituate, for example, that's where I think we could see more in that way of 1 to 2. Of course, we're going to keep a close eye on this throughout the week, and if we have any changes, we'll let you know. Let's talk about the week on the whole. Most of us staying in the 30s throughout the week, except for Thursday. That's after this storm comes through Wednesday and cold air comes back into the region as a result. But with our next storm on the way as we head into Friday, we see temperatures get a boost, and we also could see some rain Friday night. That turns to a mix as temperatures drop on Saturday morning. And then we actually could see a couple more snowflakes possible, a couple raindrops mixing in as we get to Sunday too. So lots to watch for this week. We'll have your back here on ABC 6.